Sometimes it becomes so hard when you are trying hard and you are getting nothing from your hard work. Then you get upset. Why I'm not getting the things which I wanted to get in my life? Why it's all happening with me? If I give you the example of mine, I'm uploading video each and every single day. Every single day I come in front of camera and speak over here, but in a result I get nothing. Sometimes my mind tell us that let's quit to do these all things because I'm not get anything from this work. Sometimes I thought if I am not getting views right now, it's okay, but in upcoming times I will definitely get views. So that's why let's keep continue this work, and the one day that will come in our life that will pay me off. So that's why I'm just doing it. So this motivation come from my inside that I have to do this work whether I'm getting results or not. What happens, I'm not getting any results from here, but I learn so many things. I learn how to speak confidently in front of camera, how I will focus on a work at a time. So these all things are I'm learning with this work, just because of I'm coming is an every single day and speak in front of camera. So these are the things I'm building inside of me: video editing, public speaking skill, confidence, and also how to speak in front of camera. So if you are also thinking that why should I start this video editing, why should I start this journey, so let me tell you why you need to start this. When you will start doing this all activity, you will see a certain changes inside of you. You feel confident, you feel focused, and you will also improve yourself to speak in front of anybody else. Have you ever feel that you go outside in a public and everybody just is speaking over there, but you can't speak at that point? Why? Because you don't have confidence. Have you ever observed that when you go with your friends and everybody just talking more and more and laughing, but you are just only listening them? Why it happens? Just because of you don't have confidence and you don't have knowledge. That's why you live, that's why you can't speak anything over there. So when you will start doing this all activity, record yourself each and every single day, what will happen, that you have to record yourself. So what you will tell your mind that I have to speak in front of camera. So definitely you will gain some knowledge about that topic which you gonna speak in front of camera. So in this way you will also build confidence and knowledge inside of your subconscious mind. So whenever you will go outside and there is a lot of friends who is talking to each other, you will also involve in that. Because to speak in front of anybody else you just need two things: first knowledge, and second confidence. So these two things will come from to record yourself. So that's why I'm telling you to start recording yourself, start a YouTube channel in 2025. Because if you are not getting anything from making videos right now, you are thinking that I'm not getting, but in upcoming time definitely you will see that you get a lot of things just recording yourself. Because in our upcoming 5 years it's really gonna impact a lot of things in your life. If you know how to speak in front of camera, if you know how to speak confidently in public, there would be so many opportunity will come in your life. So involve yourself in this activity, that will definitely pay you later. And if you are watching me right now, it means a lot for me. Thank you very much for watch this video up to the last, and I hope we will meet again in another video with another content. Because I have taken a resolution that I will make content each and every single day on any topic, because I have to learn so many things from here, like public speaking, confidence, how to handle camera, how to handle fear of failure, these all things. And I'm watching there is a lot of things which is observed in myself, that I'm doing great in this field. Bye.